Career, job. Do you feel insecure about your job? Do you feel like something is holding you off to grow and you have no idea of what that could be? The last family constellation sessions was about it. If you like this topic or similar life situations like this, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Here I share real stories coming from family constellation sessions. My client, who has been doing his work for many, many years, starts feeling insecure about his daily work activities, regular daily activities that he's been doing for many years. Nothing that could explain his insecurity, like a new position or a new job at a new company, nothing similar. So his insecurity started impacting his daily work activity. He couldn't explain why, and he couldn't share with anyone else. So I started the session with someone to represent him and another person to represent his work. What we could see in the beginning of the session that his work was there like always was, and nothing has changed. But he couldn't go towards his work, his job, like he couldn't get close to it. So I had to include someone to represent his father, the male, his main male figure in his life. Our father, or the male man figure in our family, represents the job and the work that we do or the career we choose. At the same time, our mother, or the female main figure or the female energy, represents the money and the prosperity. This is why it's really important to have both mother and father into our hearts to help us to have strength enough to do our work and reach prosperity. In this case, his father, who represented a very strong male figure for him, pressured him to be strong like him. He protected him so much that he made him feeling insecure. The solution here was him asking his father to accept and bless the work and the job he does nowadays. He could approach to his father and his mother and take them in his heart with his father's force and the male energy coming from his father's lineage, like grandfather and great grandfather. He has the strength he needs to feel secure again and look towards his job and career. It was a very beautiful and emotional moment when he connected again with his parents by hugging them, especially his father. After that, he could felt the confidence he needed to look at his work and his job again. Could see the difference in his body language, how confident he was feeling after that. If you want to connect with your parents on a soul level, no matter if they are alive or not anymore, join us in the next group workshop or the next group sessions that happen every month. Or book an individual session with me.